Error code 5001 indicates a phase adjustment error. The troubleshooting method is the same as before. This is usually caused by a dirty or damp charging electrode. Thoroughly clean the charging slot and charging electrode. Clean it thoroughly like this, then use air to dry it completely.